So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to speed up the plotting process in AutoCAD. So it happens many times when you plot and you select the previous plot and you make it a window, and once you press OK, so it takes a lot of time to plot and save the PDF file. So it has a very simple steps. Just type options in it, go to plot and publish, turn off this plotting tick right over here and turn on this publishing tick over here. Press apply and then press OK. That's it. That's all you have to do. This will speed up your plotting process by just 1 second, and all your PDFs will get saved with a snap of fingers. So if you found the video helpful, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.